Hello, my name is Angelika Vaz, and I'm the International Account Manager of BoostMyShop, and I would be delighted to walk you through the features of myAds.
myAds product is our newly launched product in partnership with Google company. So here we help you to manage your Google ads in the most optimum level. So at this stage, what we do is we configure myAds with any compatible CMS, which can be Shopify, PrestaShop, Magento 1 or 2. And once we do the configuration, we automatically export all your catalog from your merchant center into myAds. So we create an automatic creation of intelligence listing. So this is how we can simplify your complete campaign management. Once the configuration is done, we publish your listing on the Google Shopping Network display, Gmail, YouTube. The listings are optimized based off your audience. One of the major part of using myAds is that you have control over the profit. You just have to fix your budget and the objective, and rest myAds take care of it. So this is the product page of myAds. Here is where you'll able to check the price of your product. Also, we make sure that we only push those campaigns which product has stock. So if your products are not in stock, we do not launch those campaigns. So this is how we make sure you're not spending unnecessary money on campaigns, and we are optimizing, helping you to optimize your complete myAds strategies. So here is the dashboard, and on the dashboard you will have a complete overview of the data representation on myAds. Here is where you will able to check the acquisition, conversion, cost, and the revenue. This page can be really helpful to identify what is the total acquisition you have made up till now, the conversions, the cost, and the revenue you have generated. We have seen up till now that there has been 20% of growth in sales, and also a success rate of 75% on each product you have add on. So for example, here you can see on the acquisition how many clicks you have, the total number of clicks based on what days, what are the conversion rate, and also the cost of the conversion. So for each day you can see complete view about your whole data while using myAds. On the campaigns tab, this is where you'll able to check and create new campaigns. So for example, over here, the campaign number 3, the products are 3,231 and the budget is €1. You can see that the number of clicks is 800. The cost of 800 clicks is €28 31 and the conversion value which you have gained. So this is quite an interesting tool which gives you a very good deep insight about the each money you spend on your Google Ads. Also, this will help you to optimize which Google ad space fits you the best depending on the budget you set. For example, if you have one particular ad space, but for this particular ad space there is a very big competitor with a big budget, it will make sure that it does myAds will make sure that you do not launch the campaign for the same ad space, so that this will help you to save money and not spend unnecessarily on those ad space, as the only highest budget and highest bidder money wins the space. So it will help you to optimize and make sure that you have launch you only on those areas where you have a bigger audience and where you'll able to have a highest conversion rate. So it's quite a pretty interesting tool for using for all our myAds users. As I mentioned before, we have seen 20% of growth rate on an average for our existing customers. So if you want to know more, do get in touch with us, and I we can discuss in detail in more technical part of how we can help you to optimize your Google Ads completely automatic, as we have created this very special algorithm with Google team to make sure that you're not only just pushing your sales but also pushing your profit. This is our main objective. Thank you. If you have any questions, do get in touch with us.